Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's talk about GAIL. That's the stock grabbing headlines. The tariff of the integrated natural gas pipeline has been hiked. It's been hiked by 45%. Sonal is here with the details. Sonal.
Well, it was a much-awaited announcement, right? And it has finally come through. The expectation was of around 50% tariff hike on an average between 40 to 50% is what the analysts were expecting. So finally, PNGRB, that is the regulator, has gone ahead and hiked the tariff to 58.61 rupees per MMBTU, which is a 45% hike versus the current tariff. If we compare it with FY22 levels, it's slightly lower, but still, it is a hike nevertheless. PNGRB earlier had proposed a tariff of 60.9 rupees per MMBTU. After consultation and after an open house, they came to this particular number, that is $58.61 rupees per MMBTU. Now remember, GAIL had earlier in its paper asked for a hike of around 70%. But analysts on the street, and the street knew that that is not the number that's going to happen. They were expecting a hike between 40 to 50%. We had been discussing what could the possible impact on stock be because of this particular tariff hike. So CLSA had written a note on 6th of March where they had a target price of 125 rupees per share. They said they model a 40% hike, while a 52% hike, which the PNGRB had earlier spoken about, would boost FY24 EPS estimates by 7%. So analysts had an expectation that any hike between 40 to 50% would mean an EPS hike of 7 to 12%. That would come by, and that's why it's a positive. The stock is not reacting as much, one, because in anticipation of this hike, the stock had run up a lot, and this is slightly lower than expectation, but yes, that is not something that should worry the stock so much.
Okay, got that, Sonal. Thanks very much for the details there. Yeah, that